In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a campaign in Mailerlite. We'll walk through the full process from starting a new campaign all the way to sending or scheduling it so you can confidently get your email out to your audience. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, head over to the campaigns section in your dashboard. This is where all of your email campaigns live. Look for the button that says Create Campaign or Create New Campaign and click it. This tells Mailerlite you're starting something from scratch and opens up the campaign setup flow. Next, you'll choose your campaign type. For most situations, you'll pick a regular campaign, which is just a standard one-time email blast to your subscribers. You'll also see options like an RSS campaign, which is handy if you want to automatically send out blog or news updates, and an A/B split test campaign, which lets you test different versions of a subject line or content to see what performs better. For now, select the option that fits your goal and click Continue or Save and Continue to move forward. Now it's time to design your email content. Click Next Content to open the editor options. Mailerlite gives you a few ways to build your email. The drag and drop editor is great if you want a visual, block-based builder. If you prefer a simpler, text-focused email, use the rich text editor. And if you or your team work with code, you can choose custom HTML. After choosing your editor, select a template from the template gallery, use one you've previously saved, or start from a blank layout if you want full control. Begin adding your content by dragging in blocks like headlines, images, text areas, and buttons. As you write, you can personalize your email by inserting contact fields such as a subscriber's first name, so each person gets a message that feels tailored to them. Once your content looks good, set up your campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name that helps you recognize it later. Your subscribers won't see this. Then write a clear, compelling subject line that will appear in your subscribers' inboxes. You can also add a pre-header, which is the short line of text that shows up right after the subject in many email clients and can encourage more opens. Make sure the sender information shows a professional email address that your audience will recognize and trust. Next, click Select Recipients and choose the groups or segments you want this email to go to. Finally, check your tracking settings and ensure that Track Opens is enabled so you can measure how your campaign performs. Before you send anything, review your work. Use the preview option to see how the email looks and send a test email to yourself or your team to double-check formatting, links, and spelling. When you're satisfied, head to the Review and Confirm page. Here, take one last look at your subject line, sender details, recipients, and tracking settings. If everything looks right, you can either click Send to dispatch your campaign immediately or choose Schedule to set a specific date and time for it to go out. And that's the full process of sending a campaign in Mailerlite, from setup to send.